I think the biggest thing for me with this video is the audacity of these two, her and her Jamaican boyfriend. Them love mix up Jamaican name in some foolishness, you see. That ain't no Jamaican stew peas. We don't ever put hot dog in stew peas. And tomatoes? Tomatoes? We never put tomatoes in stew peas. Like, oh, come on, look at the dough. Look how dry that dough is. Girl, roll them things some more. Or Jamaican stew peas. That big old ugly tomato them in it too. At least she got the peas right. That's about it. That's the only part she got right. Stop mix up Jamaican name in a foolishness, man.